Hello children, this video is for class 2nd, subject mathematics, topic multiplication, page number 82, and this video is prepared by Alka Sharma. Welcome back to your maths class. I hope you all have completed exercise of page number 81 in your copy. Now we are going to learn more multiplication sums for practice and math gym of page number 82 in your book. I hope you all are ready with your book, pencil and eraser. Let's start. Page number 82, question: find the product. Find the product. A. 12 multiplied by 5. First, multiply 5 by 2, which is in ones place. 5 twos are 10. Write 0 in ones place and carry 1 to tens place. Then multiply tens value with the digit. 5 1 is 5 plus 1 6. Product is 60. B. 16 multiplied by 7. First multiply 7 by 6. 7 6 are 42. Write 2 in ones column and carry 4 to tens column. 7 1 is 7 plus 4 11. Write 1 in tens column and carry 1 to hundreds column. Here no number is there in hundreds column. So 7 zeros is 0 plus 1, 1. Write 1 in hundreds column. C. 33 multiplied by 3. First, multiply 3 by 3, which is in ones place. 3 threes are 9. Write 9 in ones column and then multiply tens value. 3 threes are 9. Again you write 9 in tens place. So product is 99. D. 40 multiplied by 5. 5 zeros are 0. Write 0 here and 5 fours are 20. Write 0 in tens place and carry 2 to hundreds place. Here no number is there. 5 0 is 0 or 0 plus 2, 2. Write 2 in hundreds place. E. 35 multiplied by 2. 2 5s are 10. Write 0 in tens place and carry 1 to write 0 in ones place and carry 1 to tens place. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Write 7 in tens place. So product is 70. 48 multiplied by 3. First, multiply 3 by 8. 3 8s are 24. So write 4 in ones column and then carry 2 to tens column. Then multiply tens value with digit. 4 multiplied by 3. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Write 4 in tens column and 1 carry forward in hundreds column. 3 here no number is there. 3 zeros is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Write 1 in hundreds column. So product is 144. G. 55 multiplied by 5. Multiply 5 by 5. 5 5s are 25. Write 5 in ones column and 2 carry forward in tens column. Then multiply tens value. 5 5s are 25 plus 2 27. Write 7 in tens column and carry 2 to hundreds column. 5 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 2. Write 2 in hundreds column. So product is 275. H. 75 multiplied by 2. 2 5 2 5s are 10. Write 0 in 1's column and carry 1 to 10's column. Now multiply 7 by 2. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. Write 5 in 10's column and carry 1 to 100's column. Here no number is there. 2 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 1. Write 1 in 100's column. Now I. 93 multiply by 6. 6 3s are 18. Write 8 in 1's column and carry 1 to 10's column. 9. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 1 55. Write 5 in 10's column and carry 5 to 100's column. Here no number is there. 6 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 5. Write 5 in 100's column. So product is 558. J. 47 multiply by 7. First multiply 7 by 7. 7 7s are 49. So write 9 in 1's column and carry 4 to 10's column. Then multiply 10's value with 7. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4 32. Write 2 in 10's column and 3 carry forward in 100's column. So here no number is there. 7 0 is 0 or 0 plus 3 3. Write 3 in 100's column. So product is 329. K. 68 multiply by 5. First multiply 5 by 8. 5 8s are 40. Write 0 in 1's column and carry 4 to 10's column. Then multiply 10's value. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4 34. Write 4 in 10's column and 3 carry 3 to 100's column. Here no number is there. So 5 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 3. Write 3 in 100's column. So product is 340. L. 82 multiply by 7. So multiply 7 by 4. 7 4s are 28. Write 8 in 1's column and 2 carry 2 to 10's column. Then multiply 10's value by 7. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 2 58. 58 write 8 in 10's column and 5 carry 5 to 100's column. Here no number is there again. 7 zeros are 0 or plus 5 5. 0 plus 5 5. Write 5 in 10's column. So product is 588. M. 91 multiply by 8. 8 1 is 8 and 8 9s are 72. Write 2 in 10's column and carry 7 to 100's column. Here no number is there. 8 0 is 0. 0 plus 7 7. Write 7 in 100's column. So product is 728. N. 66 multiply by 6. 6 6 are 36. Write 6 in 1's column and carry 3 to 10's column. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3 39. Write 9 in 10's column and carry 3 to 100's column. Here no number is there again. 6 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 3. Write 3 in 100's column. So product is 396. O. 70 multiply by 9. 9 0 is 0 and write 0 in ones column and then multiply tens value with 9. 9 sevens are 63. Write 3 in tens column and carry 6 to hundreds column. Here no number is there. So 9 0 is 0. 0 plus 6, 6. Write 6 in hundreds column. So product is 630. Product is 630. Math gym. Student, first question is, Sheru can only open doors whose number is a product of 5 and a number. Trace his path to the jungle. So you have to find out his path. Look children, Sheru is opening the door whose number is a product of 5. So here, look here, 12, 21 and 10. Here 10 is the product of 5. 5 2s are 10. In next numbers 22, 30 and 19. 30 is a product of 5. 5, 6 are 30. Here next 45 is the product of 5. 5 9s are 45. Here 3 numbers are given, 23, 25, 24, in which 25 is a product of 5. 5 5s are 25. And then 18, 19, 20. Here 20 is the product of 5. 5 4s are 20. So what is the path? 10, 30, 45, 25, 20 is the path of Sheru go to the jungle. Okay. Second, continue the pattern. Look here, A, first 9, 18 and 27. Children, look carefully. This is the table of 9. 9, 9, 1 is 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. So, continue it. 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72. So, continue this pattern. Okay. Next, B. Again, look carefully, 16, 24, 32. What will be the next number? When you will look carefully, this is the table of 18. Wait, table of 8. 8, 1 is 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. Next is 8 5s are 50, 8 6 are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 54, 8 9s are 72. Okay. So, this is the table of 8. You write it here and fill in the blanks. Now, next, fill in as shown. Look here first. It is solved for you. How you will solve it? 2 multiplied 2 is 4. Write here 4. 2 multiplied by 6. 2 3s are 6. So, write here 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Same as you will do with number 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Write here 12. B. 3 2s are, here multiply sign is there, na? So 3 2s are 6. Write 6 here. 3 4s are 12. Write 12 here. 3 6 are 18. Write 18 here. Then 4 number is here and here 2. 4 twos are, when you will multiply 4 twos are 8, write 8 here. 4 fours are 16, write 16 here. Okay. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. So you will write 24 here. 5 twos are 10. Write 10 here. 5 fours are 20. Write 20. 5 6 are 30. Write 30 here. Next, C. 7 threes are 21. Write 21. 7 fours are 28. Write 28. 7 fives are 35. Write 35 here. 7 six are 42. Write 42 here. 7 sevens are 49. Write 49 here. Next, 8. 8 threes are 24. Write 24 here. 8 fours are 32. Write 32 here. 8 fives are 40. Write 40 here. Look how you will write. Look here. 8 multiplied by 5, 40. So you will write 40 here. 8 6 are 48. You will write 48 here, where both numbers are meeting. Here you will write 48. 8 sevens are 56. So you will write 56 here. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 6 are 54. 9 sevens are 63. Write 63 here. So like this you will fill in the blanks.